Hello students, how are you all? We have watched a very interesting topic in our previous video. Plant tissues in video 1 and 2. Epithelial tissues in video 3. Types of connective tissues in 4. You have come to know that connective tissues are specialized for connecting various tissues and organs, or for supporting them in order to keep them in a proper place, and also to provide structural framework. This video creates interest in you as it explains how to identify our blood groups using blood group identification kit. Watch and learn. Students, now we are going to watch an interesting video on blood, a connective tissue, its functions and types of blood group identification. Before going to the topic, first let's go with keywords in the lesson. Keywords: vitamins, organic compounds essential for growth, present in fruits and vegetables. Hormones: controls actions of certain cells or organs, circulated in bloodstream, stored in some glands. Heparin: seen in liver and other tissues, inhibits blood coagulation. Component: part or element of a larger whole. Lymphatic system: network of delicate tubes throughout the body. Excretory: used to excrete or exit. Hemoglobin: protein present in RBC that carries gases. Thrombocyte: learning objectives. By the end of this video, you could identify your blood group with the help of blood identification kit. You would be knowing about RH factor, A, B, AB, O blood groups, and also about universal acceptor and donor. Look at this mind map first. Mind map. Now, let's learn how to check our blood tissue through the following activity. Activity 1. Take a sterilized syringe needle. Collect 1 drop of blood from the fingertip by pricking with syringe needle. Take a slide. Keep the finger on the slide to collect 1 drop of blood. Put another slide on it gently and press both sides. Observe the slide under microscope. In this procedure, you can identify only red blood cells. Through blood contains all the cells. Activity 2. Find out your blood group using a kit available in the lab. One kit can be used for 100 tests. Aim: identification of blood group. Requirements: blood identification kit, glass slide, wax pencil, disposable needle, cotton, toothpicks, 70% alcohol. Kit components and storage. All the reagents should be stored at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade when not in use. Kit components and storage. Components: quantity 100 tests, anti-A sera 5 ml, anti-B sera 5 ml, anti-RHD sera 5 ml, porcelain white plate 2, wax pencil 1, needle 24G 100. Instruction manual 1. Procedure: take one porcelain plate which is clean and dry to avoid interference with the reaction. With a wax pencil, draw 3 lines on the plate to divide the surface into 3 parts. And draw 3 circles, one in each part. Place 1 drop of corresponding antiserum at room temperature near the edge but within each of the circles. Choose a finger, usually left ring finger. Clean this fingertip with alcohol in a cotton ball and let it dry. Press on the bottom of the fingertip with the thumb of the same hand. Quickly prick the fingertip with the help of a needle. Note: the needle is sterile, so do not touch the fingertip with anything before using it. Quickly let 1 drop of blood get into each circle, but not touching the antisera. Use a toothpick to mix the blood and antiserum and stir gently. Do it for each of the circles using a fresh toothpick every time. The wax pencil circle will help to keep the sample isolated. Watch to see if any of the samples show agglutination. The agglutination will appear as the grainy clumps of red blood cells, RBCs, suspended in a clear solution. Note: RH is slower to agglutinate. A, B, RH result and inference. Determine the blood type depending on the result. Clot seen in A and RH. So, A positive blood group. Clot seen in B and RH. So, B positive blood group. Clot seen only in RH, not in A or B. So, O positive. Clot seen in A and B and also in RH. So, AB positive. Note: if agglutination occurs in anti-RHD serum, the RH factor is positive. Example: blood group A positive, B positive, AB positive or O positive. And if it does not, the RH factor is negative. Example: A negative, B negative, AB negative or O negative. Wow, so interesting. Now you all know how to check your blood group. Who is the person who introduced blood groups to us? Landsteiner, a German doctor, found a new blood relation among us. He divided human beings into 4 major groups. They are A, B, AB and O. AB group human beings can receive the blood from any other groups. Hence, they are called universal recipients. O group people can donate the blood to any other group. So, these people are known as universal donors. Look here, blood donor or recipients. Points to remember. Blood is a fluid connective tissue composed of both cellular and liquid parts. Liquid part in a blood is plasma and cellular part includes the RBC, WBC and platelets. Every individual can know their blood group using it. Blood groups are A positive, B positive, AB positive or O positive. And if the Rh factor is negative, A negative, B negative, AB negative or O negative. O positive is universal donor. AB positive is universal recipient. Recall. Home assignment.